what to do in order to be making at least $500 monthly if you are not already making up to $500 monthly online. What you need to do is concentration, serious concentration for 3 to 6 months, and focus, serious focus. You have to focus on just one thing. Focusing on many things, you will not be able to achieve it. It's either you can focus on Facebook ads, how to either training people on Facebook ads, or how to run Facebook ads on your own, YouTube ads, or content creation, web design, a graphic design, whatever you like or you feel that you can do, and you will not feel bored doing it. Just focus on that thing. Forget all distraction, even your social life, reduce it. Just make sure that for 3-6 months you concentrate seriously on that thing. If you can concentrate like that for good 3-6 months, you'll be making not less than $500 monthly. That focus on one thing, just one thing. Facebook ad, YouTube, or web design, or whatever your mind can take that you know that you can do it without feeling bored. Yeah, just focus on it and you will make it.